Hello everyone. We are going to briefly discuss about the topic quantum computing. So, what is a quantum computing and how does it work? It is referred to a computation that uses the principle of quantum physics. Quantum physics deal with the smallest physical unit that exists within the human realm. The common principle applied in the computing systems are superposition, entanglement, and quantum interface. The computing system is done by quantum computer. A conventional computer work with bits which can be 0 or 1. However, the computing method works with qubits instead. Instead of dealing with one definite problem at a time, it computes numerous probabilities at once. What would a quantum computer do? A quantum computer is expected to be able to deal with more problems instead of counting the definite problems. It calculates the possible solution for that problem regardless of the time. The possibility has a certain amplitude for it to be the right solution. For this to work, the computing system should be in a superposition state. There are three important divisions in the computer system. Firstly, a specific area to house the qubits. Second, the approach to transfer signal to the qubits. Third, a classical computing machine to send instruction toward the system. So, so let us see, is quantum computing real? Many people do not believe that this computing approach is real, or at least they think that the concept is not doable at the moment. Various big companies have worked to develop a computer that operates using quantum principle. However, they still run into some substantial problems. Although creating a sophisticated quantum computer is not possible at the moment, experts believe that it will be the norm in the future. The system can help human civilization to solve complex modern problems that conventional computer cannot solve right now. Thus, it is understandable that many people are willing to invest in its development. How will quantum computing change the world? It might be easier to use illustration to explain its benefit. Quantum computing is capable of stimulating real life situations. Therefore, scientists can create a virtual laboratory that offer a great accuracy to what will happen in the real laboratory. There are so many different implications to the development of human civilization. One is people can produce good at much lower cost because the R&D process occur in a virtual lab. Second, the amount of time to create urgent innovation is cut short. Third, before manufacturing item, the developer can detect the possible failure and work on solutions. Finally, the manufacturing process become more sustainable and environmental friendly. Let us discuss the types of quantum computing. There are mainly three types of quantum computing. One is analog quantum, quantum annealing, and universal quantum. In analog quantum, it is a medium-tier computing system that applies quantum principle. It can work on several set of problems at once. The processing time is slightly quicker than conventional computers. It works with 50 to 100 qubits, which means that it is physically doable to build. Quantum annealing. The computing system is most restrictive and work comparable to conventional computing machine. Although it uses quantum principle in its application, it can only work on one task at a time. It is an easy build, but the advantage of a conventional computer are unknown. Universal quantum. Out of three quantum computer, universal might be the most powerful and versatile. It speeds up the data computing process. However, it takes a lot of resource to build This computer, as it is expected to host around 1 lakh qubits, that will make the computer unworkable in conventional setting. Let's see what are the applications of quantum computing. Here we are discussing major 5 applications. First, simulation. The quantum computer is able to crunch enormous data which include molecular activities in one being. This ability enables the computer to create very accurate simulation of real life events such as photosynthesis. Second, optimization. Instead of calculating a problem at a time, this computing approach solves various probability. Through such a system, you can see how each option can provide the most advantages. Thus, you can optimize that option. Third, cryptography. Cryptography involves difficult mathematical problems such as discrete algorithm and integer factorization. These problems take a long time to solve. However, a computer with quantum principle can easily do it. Machine learning. This concept is difficult to apply as it takes so much time and financial resource to do it. Computing system can help speed up the process significantly. Finally, data search. Although the conventional computer has evolved so much over the past decade, data search still take too long sometimes. Quantum principles are capable of speeding up the data search process, especially if the search is unstructured. So, what are the advantages of quantum computing? Now we are discussing the major 3 advantages. That is, it can crunch a large amount of data. Second, it speed up data processing time. Finally, it is more money efficient in a long run. What are the disadvantages of quantum computing? Despite the benefit that computing offers, commercial or usable computers still need a long way to go. Here are some common problems in the production process. The qubits are still difficult to translate into arbitrary values. A readable qubit for public use. Creating a scalable physical system that can support the qubit number. Developing quantum gate that operate faster than the decoherence time. Finally, creating spare parts that can handle this job. List of quantum computing companies. Some large companies have tried to come up with a quantum computer product that can be used by the larger population, including IBM, Microsoft, Google QAL, Airbus, Hitachi, Huawei, No Arc Lab.